May tanong dito, my supervisor is peddling misinformation on how I do my work. How do I address this? Should I approach or ignore it? Pagka po kasi merong misinformation, ibig sabihin no, may politikang nangyayari. No? And in the spirit of the Explorer Sat, okay, I will get data on the information being spread and say, boss, totoo ba to? Ah, narinig ko sa iba that you're saying this. This is not consistent with the facts that I have. Di ba? So, linawin mo. Minsan, yung mga taong nagchichismis ay duwag. So, it helps no, that you're able to present the information that you have no, in a professional and respectful manner and ask, totoo ba na lumalabas ito? Di ba? Confront them. Ngayon, kung meron kang enough evidence na sinisiraan ka ng iyong supervisor and the supervisor is denying it but you're sure of it, go to HR. Report your supervisor to HR. So yun yung aking recommendation. No? That's called assertive communication. You don't need to be aggressive. Ayaw mo rin naman maging passive. Hindi ayaw mo maging api-apihan ka na lang. You have to stand up for yourself. No? Yun yung aking recommendation.